Hello friends, this is Deepa and in this video I will be showing how to become an affiliate and make income. You must have heard that you can easily become an affiliate partner and start making money, and there is no requirement of investment or any technical knowledge. So let's see how it actually works. But please do subscribe to my channel, because after this video I will be uploading many more videos related to this, like choosing an advertiser and also publisher platforms, and what are the technical things and tricks to become successful affiliate partner. So let's see how this affiliate marketing works and how to become an affiliate partner. Let's get started. So let's see how to earn money as an affiliate. So before we get started, let's understand how affiliate earning actually works and what are the things required. So I will tell you in just few 1 or 2 steps. So as an affiliate, let's consider you are an affiliate and you want to earn income. So your first step would be partnering with your website, with any of the website who are selling products or services. Like products can be e-commerce website, like the sites who are selling shoes, furniture, fashion, clothing, any products, or the services who are who are providing banking services, insurance, travel, and many more services like medical, health, hotel booking. So these are the services who provide websites who provides commission on leads, and the e-commerce website provides commission on the sale. So once you decide and start the partnership with them, you will get a referral link. That referral link you have to provide your in the circle, like it can be to your friends, your website visitors, your social media followers like YouTube, Facebook, or any website, any referral. So once your referral, click on the referral link and make a purchase or fill out a sign up form, you will be eligible to earn commission for that particular transaction or the lead. So it totally depends upon the commission that has been decided during the partnership, that commission you will be earning. So this is how the affiliate earning works. So let's get started and see. I'll show you the demo. So the first step would be deciding the affiliate advertiser, like with whom you want to partner with. So as per your interest and choice, you can decide any partner and approach for the partnership and become the affiliate. So in this video I will show you the example of becoming partner with an Amazon website. So I go on the Amazon website, and below I will search for an option like how to become a partner. So I will click over there. So once you click on become an affiliate, you will see an option below, recommend our products for and earn advertising fees. So here I will create an account. So I will give all the details about me and the website and the promotion that is required. So I'll fill out the details and get my account created successfully. Okay, so my account got created. So after account has been created, I will log in into my affiliate panel at Amazon and add the product which I want to promote. You can add products of any of your choice, but here I am promoting jewelry product. So here I search for the jewelry and got the tracking link. The tracking link is something that I will be promoting on for website, Facebook, or social media. So I will show you the example over here on promoting this tracking link in my blog and on my website. So I will take the tracking link and add in my website blog. Here I have created a blog called Indian Art Traditional Jewelry. So in this in between I want to add that banner, tracking banner. So let's preview and see how it looks. So here is the banner. So for example, a visitor visited this website, my blog, and they clicked on the Amazon banner. They will be redirected via tracking link. Once they have been redirected, they can either purchase this product or any product on the Amazon After they make any purchase of this of products at Amazon, I'll be eligible for commission. So once you get the tracking link, you can decide like where actually you want to promote. It can be website, social media. If you have a Facebook, YouTube channel, or Instagram, you can post there and make people click on the tracking link. So once they click on the tracking link, what actually happens, like I'm waiting for this slide to move. So once you have promoted your tracking link, the user, like the visitor of the website or the follower of your Facebook channel, will click on that tracking link as shown in the previous blog, how the user clicks on the Amazon banner. Once they click, they can perform an action like sale or lead. This can be during that time or within some days, like cookie tracking period, within few period which has been decided by the advertiser. Once within that period they make any sale or lead, you will be earning commission. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please do hit on the like button and do not forget to subscribe. I will be coming up with more short and simple videos that will help you understand how to choose advertisers and use your publisher platforms as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.